You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? So how do you say these gender-neutral prefix or title? So yeah, it really depends. Actually, the most common pronunciation is max, right? But some people like it pronounced as max as well. I even heard it pronounced as max. So, but generally, max is probably the most common pronunciation. Max or max, perhaps, too. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.